Good day, my name is Jen Merrill and I'm here to present the Poverty Statistic Report. Ang table na naka-assign sa akin is table 14. So, this table is about the subsistence incidence among families and population in different regions of the Philippines and Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao for the year of 2018, 2021, at 2023. So, subsistence incidence refers to the proportion of families or individual living below the poverty line, struggling to meet their basic needs. So, ang subsistence incidence is yun nga tumutukoy sa mga pamilya o populasyon na ang kita is hindi sapat para sa kanilang pangunahing pangangailangan. For instance, if a family's income is less than what is needed to cover their basic necessities, they're considered to be living below the subsistence threshold. So let's break down the highest and lowest subsistence incidence among families and population. Table 14. So in this table, makikita natin na noong year 2018, in this year, Mindanao had the highest incidence of poverty among families dahil nag-reach siya ng 12.8%. So this means maraming pamilya sa Mindanao ang naghihirap to meet their basic needs. For example, if there were 100 families sa Mindanao noong 2018, 12.8% na pamilya were living in poverty or naghihirap. Yung mataas na incidence of poverty sa Mindanao ay maaaring dulot ng kawalan ng trabaho or other economic difficulties na nagpapahirap sa mga pamilya. Next is the lowest incidence of poverty among families is yung National Capital Region, which is NCR, noong 2023. So in this year, NCR had the lowest incidence of poverty among families na bumaba hanggang 0.6%. This means na kaunti lang sa pamilya sa NCR ang naghihirap. Halimbawa, out of 100 families sa NCR noong 2023, only 0.6% or less than 1 family lang yung naghihirap. So ang mababang incidence of poverty sa NCR maaaring dahil maraming job opportunities and better access sa serbisyo and opportunities sa urban area. Sa first semester subsistence incidence among population naman, makikita natin sa table na Mindanao also had the highest incidence of poverty sa population noong 2018, reaching 17.9%. This means widespread yung kahirapan sa region. For example, if there were 100 people in Mindanao noong 2018, 17.9% or 17.9% people were living in poverty. Yung mataas na incidence of poverty sa Mindanao is maaaring kakulangan din sa trabaho or educational challenges and other economic issues. Makikita din natin dito sa table na ang lowest incidence of poverty among population is NCR noong 2023. It also had the lowest incidence of poverty sa population, bumaba hanggang 0.9%. This means na kaunti lang sa population ng NCR ang naghihirap. Again, for example, out of 100 people sa NCR noong 2023, only 0.9% or less than 1 person lang ang naghihirap. The data shows that poverty rates vary across different regions in the Philippines. We need plans to lessen this and help the whole country progress. This can be done by adding more jobs, improving education, and giving help to those in need. Shows na ang poverty rates is nagkakaiba sa iba't ibang mga regions sa Pilipinas in every year. And need natin na magplan para mabawasan ito and tulungan ng buong bansa na umunlad. That would be all. Thank you.